I offered the nice lady at the thrift store $2 for this bedraggled little saw, and she said, "How about $1?" So I countered with $1.50, and I left the store with the saw, knowing that my negotiating skills were as good as they always were. I've never seen a saw like this before. If anyone knows what it is, please leave a comment and let me know. Is it a pruning saw? A keyhole saw? It's a mystery to me. I just don't know. I thought it deserved a better fate than what it was destined for, so I decided to see if I could at least fix it up to where it was usable. The blade has teeth on both edges. It was obviously meant to be reversible. The nut and the bolt indicate that also. The bolt has a lever attached to it to make it easier to tighten up. Here I'm trying to straighten the terribly bent blade. I tried to remove most of the crud and paint from the handle with paint thinner and then paint stripper. Here I'm cleaning up the hardware with the wire brush. It looks like to me that the base of the blade had been broken or rusted out at some point. This made it nearly impossible for the blade to be reversed and still have the proper angle for sawing. I decided to trim the base of the blade off square and make a steel insert to put in the handle so I could reverse the blade and it would be at the proper angle for sawing. I'm squaring off the saw blade so it will fit flush against the insert that I'm going to put in the handle. Here I'm cleaning up the edges of the insert. I'm test fitting the insert here and making sure that the blade fits properly against the insert. Now I'm doing the final trimming of the insert. I'm securing the insert into the handle with epoxy. Now I'll try to make the handle presentable. I used walnut stain and polyacrylic on the handle. I'm cleaning up the blade here. This thing is never going to win a beauty contest, but at least maybe I can make it usable. The hardware design is actually pretty clever. The bolt has a little protrusion that fits into holes in the circumference of the washer. This keeps the bolt from slipping when the little protrusion is in one of the holes in the washer. The nut has an integrated lever that allows you to tighten the blade into the handle very tightly. By moving the bolt around to different holes in the washer, you can make sure that the lever on the nut does not interfere with the operation of the saw. Pretty clever, I think. This edge of the saw appears to be a cross-cut blade. Now I'm turning the blade over. This side appears to me to be like a rip blade, or actually more like a pruning blade. I kind of like the little saw. I think it might be a good camp saw. Maybe something to take on a hunting or camping trip. Anyway, it was a fun little project. Thanks a lot for watching.